Hi, Eric here from Laser Scanning TV, and this is the November news for 23, and I have for you also updates from hardware side, software, drones, yeah, everything what is new on this month on the market is in this episode. Stay tuned. Hi guys, we're starting with hardware, and we go this month we go in the handheld market, short range scanner. We have here this FreeScan Trio is the name. From producer Shining 3D, and that's the first marker-free laser scanner, 3D laser scanner on the market. Here we have some tech sheets. If you're working without marker-free, you have 98 laser lines. The speed can be up to 3 million points over the many laser lines. We have 3 5-megapixel industry cameras. Accuracy is 0.02 with markers. And you have 4 scanning modes and the built-in photogrammetry solution. If you can working on large scan areas, large areas with a lot of 3D geometry, you don't need any of these small dot points. What took you a lot of time to build this. I can show you here some small video from them. It's how it looks like, because you maybe see there a little bit the scan mode. It's up here in this video. Also this is the marker-free 3D scanner with these 98 lines here, and you have these 3 cameras, and then you have the projection of these laser lines, and this generates a very dense scan pattern, and you can scan larger scales object without any markers. If you go to this 26 line laser, you can scan then with markers in a higher accuracy. Then you have 7 lines, and you have for more detailed area, and you can also go up to 1 line if you have to scan some holes or some tricky areas. Then you can go to down to 1 line, and you have also a built-in photogrammetry solution in this system. So here is for 1 line if you like to go more in details, and here if you like to use photogrammetry, like here, or for this airplane, then you need some photogrammetry points before. So that's from the hand scanner market. I think it's a total revolution, and of course Shining gives you very good products to an affordable price. Yeah, if you're interested in this, have a look on that. Yeah, that's new one from the handheld scanner market. Then we have something from drone market. There we have here from a German company. They call it microdrones. I try to give it to you in English, but I don't know. I find this release only in Germany. And this German company expand to the US. Now they have a cooperation with the former Avion in the US, and they are, I think, produced now in the US together with Avion some system for the North American market, and yeah, it's they're looking then that they are more closer to the market and more closer to their customer. Also, if you are interested in the US, have a look on this German producer Microdrone, who is now based in I don't know, in the state of New York, in Rome is the name of the city. Then the same for the aerial market. We have here this company PhaseOne from Denmark, and they released cooperation together with Quantum System. I think they're from Germany, from Munich and Schwimble, and they now making a very good survey-grade UFO solution. What they do, PhaseOne, it's very good cameras. I think they now have a camera with 128 megapixels, what they install here. I think it's a little bit down here. And then the PhaseOne, it's the Quantum System. It's a drone or a system that can fly very large areas, and they can go together 22 meters in 1 second with a height from 60 to 120 meters, and that's the option that they can scan large scales areas, and then they bring it in Trimble Business Center. I think this photogrammetry solution there is based on maybe the info software, but all of them, they have now cooperation of a good camera, a good airborne system, and they use the technology from Trimble to process the data afterwards. Also, these companies, Skydio integrates the GNS solution from Trimble. Also this, actually, there's a lot of cooperation from Trimble with different kinds of producers. Maybe they do it for the American market, because then you have, if you're an American drone producer, you have the GNS from America. It's, I think, very good, because if you're in a sensitive market, I think that's maybe recommended to having a used system from the own market. Then also based, also from America, based from the drone market. And there's a project here from I think they done it for a client from Bentley. It's a runway, and they want looks for crack in the runway, and they make an interesting cooperation. Also they get the request, and they fly it, and then they put manual, they look for the cracks, and they want digitize this and make it more automatic. And they use like a combination of 3 different programs from Bentley, and what they use was, I think it's these they use iTwin Capture Modeler, AssetWise, and iTwin Experience together with AI algorithm, and with this they can do it now 75% faster. I think that's they told here in the conclusion, that they are up to 75% in this application faster as the manual way. And I don't know if I write this right, this customer maybe have up to 100 of these runways. I think it's a big time saving. Now we go more also for software-wise, like this company Matterport introduced CAD file add-on, as a one-click CAD creation tool to simplify these design workflows. I think you can use your data set, and then I think you only have to do one click, and then you get from them a CAD package file, what is in DVG CAD format for selling planes in the lower AutoCAD version. Then you have DXF files from the DVG. You have in PDF floor planes with reflected ceiling planes, and then you have a point cloud file and a plot style for CAD. And this is what you get. I think they won't be easier and faster for some people that don't maybe need the highest accuracy. I think that's what you get from that. You here see the data, and then I think they want to take out there some information from that point. So, and then we come to the Faro product side. Beside all these new Orbis and so on, they have also a new version of Scene, the 23.1 something version. It's a little bit hard to find these information. Now I use this information here from these laser scanning forum. What they do there, it's they have now a hybrid workflow. You can work interactive and hybrid. This means reference points, static, like cloud to cloud, and different kinds of scanning methods together in one. Then they have, I think they'll do something on the bundle rates. This is a big one. Fixed cluster in place. Then these fast interactive registration showing connections. Also the connection from stream, and also the Pano scans inside. And this makes the interface, also they make the usability higher. You see the connection, and this is now a new option to work with that. And I spoke to some customer, they already use it, and I find this very useful tool. And also we working on that and try to get our first experience. Of course, it's not the question if you can register 50, 80 scans, so it's more the question how we register 100,000 scans or so. With the new option from flash scans from Orbis or from the very fast premium scanner, it's easily to make up to 300 scans per day, and a couple of projects now are 1,000 scans, because capturing is not so time consuming anymore. And then you have the struggle usually with all these softwares if you try to then register these large scanning data sets together. And I think now Faro published something with this new option to fit this topic for the Faro customer base. And then we switch to the GeoSLAM side. GeoSLAM is also now a company from Faro. Everybody knows. You see, as a Faro solution. It's a very interesting application only because we have wintertime surveying of avalanches in the French Alps. They've been there some in the Savoy region, scanning there 2 hours, 3,000 square meters. And what they scanned was avalanches and snowparks and snowpacks, and it was for education purposes. And they used there the scanner on a backpack. They walked there, you see here the avalanches, and there somebody worked with the backpack and capture whole the snow area. And this is what they get out. Here you see was the avalanche, and here's the snowpack, and they can use it then for the university purposes of getting more information, like the avalanche. The avalanche topic is working. I would say it like this. It's a very interesting one application, not the usual one, but shows you with the GeoSLAM this very versatile system. It's pretty easy to do it here, especially, you know, you can take the backpack, have the hands free, and then you can climb there in this harsh environment and get very good results out of that. And finally, we have from our business, we have some survey accessories here for developed especially for Deutsche Bahn. This means we have put here some a part of the, we have to fix our reference spheres here on the adapter. What is we have fixed adapter from the railway. This is the fixed point is the end of this pin, and then we need some adapter, one hand to measure this with the turtle station, and then we can fix it and you can scan it and have the same center point. There's also a video where we show how it is working, but it's very special. But if you have maybe from other countries and have same issues, we actually know how it works. So I don't know, it's we get this request from the German survey customer group for the Deutsche Bahn, also for the German railway. Yeah, I think it's 2 points is we have GeoWeek is upcoming in February next year. I think we will be joined there, this conference. Maybe I know there's a big audience also in the US. If anybody like to go to GeoWeek, stop then on our booth. I think we can also show here where we like to, where we will stay. And I think that's all for now for November, for this month. Yeah, if you have any question, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel, forward this to other guys. We're happy if more and more people yeah, watch this channel. I'm very happy on the shows. I met people there see this channel, and I'm very happy where people from the US, Canada, Chile, I don't know, in the Middle East, there was people looking at in Abu Dhabi, Kuwait, and all the globe. And maybe you can leave from where, maybe you can type in under this from where you're watching. This would be very interesting. So not everybody cannot come to the Geo or to GeoWeek, but right inside from where you watch the channel. That would be surprising me. And I will say bye-bye, and don't forget, subscribe to the channel and leave a comment.